Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, it's back to the drawing board for the police after the man charged for the mob killing of a Manchester resident was freed this week.
News of the verdict has not gone down well with the deceased man's family and close friends. Anthony Lugg has this Primetime News follow-up.
Pain, anger and grief hang over the community of Victoria Town in Manchester.
The justice system has failed us.
It is so ugly, brother, and nasty, brother.
They've all been clinging on to hope that justice would be served after the police charged one man in connection to the mob killing of Chieftain Campbell. But on Wednesday, Orlando Powell was freed. The presiding judge upheld a no-case submission made by his attorney.
Sad disappointment with the whole justice system.
Chieftain Campbell was killed on May 6 by an angry mob in Manchester who mistakenly identified him as a thief.
I can tell you that from May 6 until now, I'm not in my right mind. Even though a person see me going, it's like every day I remember him.
Really ask Father God to forgive them because they don't know what they really have done to us.
The police have been relying heavily on footage captured on the fateful day. The people have concerns about the strength of the evidence garnered.
This is no good, and the eyes of whether Casco or you name it, those cameras and all of them to be proven are there. Nothing.
It's been 6 months since Chieftain Campbell was killed by an angry mob in Mandeville. The people here in Victoria Town, where he was from, say life has not been the same since he was killed.
We have sleepless night. Believe you me. Right now, tears in my eye right now. Believe you. Just come like it's a new beginning for the whole thing. Jano. Me come and me can't see my brother even for give him a money. Even though to say, him good like that kind of work and whatever. Right? No, my brother would be 62, and get married the following week. I know me coming to see my brother.
So, with the only suspect in connection to Mr. Campbell's death now free, it's left to be seen whether the case will be closed or if investigators will dig deeper into the matter. Until then, relatives and friends remain hopeful justice will be served.
You get it from man, but you cannot get away from God. He sits high and he looks low. And the Bible tells you, justice is mine, I will repay.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.